Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to the device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. If you get any informative video on this channel, then do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. So let's start the video. In today's tutorial, we'll learn how to set up the Netgear Orbi BE21000 RBE873 series tri-band Wi-Fi 7 system using the Orbi app. This complete tutorial covers downloading the app, creating an account, connecting the router, syncing satellites, updating firmware, and optimizing your mesh network for the best performance. Whether you're setting up your Orbi network for the first time or reinstalling after a reset, this guide covers every step in detail. So let's start the setup process. Now download and install the Netgear Orbi app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and create or log in to your Netgear account. Place the Orbi router near your modem. Connect the modem to the yellow 10 gig Internet/WAN port on the Orbi router using the included Ethernet cable. Plug the Orbi router into power. Turn on the modem. Wait for the modem to fully boot. Wait for the Orbi router LED to illuminate. The router will automatically detect your internet connection type in most cases. For best coverage, place satellite 1 halfway between the router and the area needing coverage. And also place satellite 2 in another area of the home where stronger Wi-Fi is needed. Avoid metal cabinets, microwaves, thick concrete walls, or electrical panels. The Orbi 870 can cover up to approximately 9,000 square feet with a 3-pack system. Connect your smartphone or tablet to the Orbi router's default Wi-Fi network. The SSID and password are printed on the router's label. Inside the app, tap Set up a new Orbi system. Accept terms and conditions. Allow requested permissions, camera, Bluetooth, or local network access. The camera is used to scan the router QR code. Locate the QR code, bottom of the router, router label, or product sleeve. In the app, tap Scan QR code. Point your camera at the QR code. Wait for successful detection. The app identifies your exact Orbi model automatically. The Orbi app automatically detects your ISP connection. Configures DHCP or PPPoE settings. Checks internet connectivity. If your ISP uses PPPoE, enter the username and password provided by your ISP. When prompted, set Wi-Fi name, SSID, example, Home Wi-Fi 970. Set Wi-Fi password. Use a strong password such as Home at 970 Wi-Fi 2026. Now setup is complete. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will always help you and solve your problem as soon as possible. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more useful updates.